Welcome to the VaZing How-To series. Today we're going to learn how to create a recurring work order. Recurring jobs are an important part of your business, which is why VaZing provides you an easy and flexible way of creating work order schedules. You'll be able to set it and forget it by defining the frequency pattern of the work when you create the work order, and VaZing will do the rest. The first step to creating a work order is to create a service. Starting from the dispatch board, first find the employee you want to perform the work, and then the time at which the first instance of the recurring work order will be performed. Once you've found it, click on the open time slot. VaZing will present you with two paths. Here you'll select the Service option button and click OK. Next, you'll tell VaZing the customer for whom you'll be performing work. You can select an existing customer from the VaZing database, search for a customer by typing search criteria into the search field, or add a new customer by clicking Add New. Here we'll go ahead and select Smith & Sons Incorporated. VaZing displays a new service record. Here we'll fill out the service in the usual manner. For details, please see the How to Create and Schedule a Work Order video. Here we'll simply type in a summary for our work order. And you can define other fields as well. You could select a status from the status drop-down list, substatus from the substatus drop-down list, marketing campaign, custom fields. The next step is to define the recurrence pattern. We'll click Add Recurrence. In the Add Servants Recurrence dialog box, you can control how often the service occurs. Our options in the frequency drop-down list are daily, if you want the work order to occur every day, weekly, if it occurs every week, monthly on a specific day of the month, or monthly on a specific week of the month, annually on a particular day of the month, or annually on a week of the month, or a custom pattern. So let's say that you were hired to inspect a customer's cleaning system on a bi-monthly schedule. So here you need to define a work order for the third Wednesday of every other month. To define this pattern, select Monthly Week of Month from this drop-down list. Now when you select a frequency, it adds other fields to the dialog box so that you can control exactly when the recurrence pattern will occur. Here we'll complete the recurrence pattern by typing 2 into the months field, which gives us a bi-monthly pattern, and selecting third and Wednesday from the two drop-down lists. Once you're done with the recurrence, go ahead and click Add. And if we scroll down, you can see the recurrence we added in the Service Reoccurrences section. By default, the reoccurrence will start on the day that you've entered it and will never end. You can define an end date by simply selecting one from the drop-down list. So let's say that the inspections will run for a year. We could define this end date in VaZing in two ways. We could select After on the Ends drop-down list and type 6 into the field. Since 6 occurrences every 2 months brings us up to a year, this would provide us all the inspections that we need. Alternatively, we could select On from the drop-down list and select the date a year from now from the calendar box. Once you've defined all of the service information, click Save to save the service. Again, for details on defining the rest of the work order, please see the How to Create and Schedule a Work Order video. Once the service has been saved, you'll be able to see it on the dispatch board. And that's how you create a recurring work order in VaZing. This simple process will let you put your jobs on cruise control, saving you time and optimizing your schedule. Easy recurring work order scheduling. Just one more thing you'll love about VaZing. For one-on-one personal assistance, please either contact your bootcamp instructor or log into VaZing's live chat.